Downloading data from Amazon Prime Video allows you to watch your favorite shows and movies offline. Follow these steps to successfully download content. Step 1. Install the Amazon Prime Video app. Download and install the Amazon Prime Video app on your device. The app is available on various platforms, including smartphones, tablets, and smart TVs. Step 2. Sign into your account. Open the app and sign in using your Amazon account credentials. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one to access the content. Step 3. Find downloadable content. Browse through the available titles and look for the download icon next to the shows or movies you want to save. Not all content is available for download, so ensure the title you choose has this option. Step 4. Download the selected content. Tap on the download icon to start downloading the selected title. You can monitor the progress in the app, and once the download is complete, it will be available in your library. Step 5. Access and watch offline. Navigate to your downloaded content section within the app. You can now watch your downloaded shows and movies without an internet connection. With these steps, you can easily enjoy your favorite Amazon Prime Video content offline. Happy watching!